What do you know about USDA loans? If you don't know much, you need to know just enough. And I'm going to tell you a couple of the highlights. The funding fee, the upfront funding fee on USDA loans is going down in a couple weeks, October 1st, from 2.75 to 1%. That is a significant difference. It's a third of what it was. And now that funding fee can be rolled into the loan at the time of purchase, but it's still going to affect the loan amount, the eligibility, and the monthly payment. The monthly funding fee also went down from 0.5 to 0.35, or will go down, on October 1st. This is also going to make a significant difference on the eligibility when you're working with buyers looking at USDA loans. It's a 100% loan, no money down. There are some criteria. It has a little bit tighter debt-to-income ratio. You have to meet income limits, and you have to buy within certain areas. So what are those certain areas? If you're working with buyers in today's market and they can't afford within Denver, they're probably in USDA zone. It's as close as Morrison on the west side. It's as close as Brighton on the north side. As close as Watkins on the east side. And then on the south, it gets a little bit trickier because we have Colorado Springs so close to Denver that it is actually a small sliver of space between Castle Rock and Colorado Springs. So realistically, you could be touching USDA and not even realize it. And that's 100% loan, no money down. So if you're not working with a lender that's keeping you educated, or if you need a backup lender, or if you need some creative financing and ways to maybe get a borrower qualified that they wouldn't have otherwise because you didn't know about programs, or the lender isn't offering up programs that they would qualify for, then you need to give me a call. Nicole, Rueth with Fairway Mortgage. I'm really looking forward to presenting these Saturday morning topics in more informative ways. So feel free to please pass on this video to either consumers that are out there looking to purchase in some of the outlying areas, or some of your fellow realtors who need to know about some products that maybe they just haven't worked with. USDA is not necessarily a quiet niche product. A lot of people know it exists. They just don't know how to take advantage of it. So please feel free to pass this on. I'd love to hear from you. Nicole, Rueth, Fairway Mortgage.